Hello YouTubers. Some time ago, YouTube released a new feature called Remixes. Basically, it allows us to extract audio, video, or both from published videos. And with that, create shorts or mini videos like those we find in TikTok. That is, less than 1 minute, vertical, you know. It seems interesting, but this new feature has a big failure nobody knew about until now. But before we get into that, we must understand clearly how remixes work, what YouTube is offering us. In theory, if somebody uses one of your videos to do a remix, that video might receive viewers from a link in the remix. If you allow remixing of your videos and those remixes become viral, they might bring new viewers and subscribers to your channel. Your video that nobody sees might become famous. Is that real? This is a question that still doesn't have an answer. We'll see. On the other hand, the person that makes the remix has lots of audio and video available to blow up his creativity without the risk of a copyright strike. Is that real? This looks like a win-win situation. However, it's not that simple. There is a catch for the remixer and there is another catch for the creator. The person that uses other people's work to make remixes might lose all his work if you decide to disallow it later on. YouTube will delete the short or the audio. On the other hand, the creator that allows remixes might find his creation taken out of context, causing damage. And he will only be notified once the damage is already done. Additionally, it might be a joke, but if nobody sees or finds your videos, who will take bits out of it to make a remix? If your video hasn't captured engagement on its own organically, will a remix blow it up? I don't think so. In any case, according to YouTube, it's our decision if we allow others to use our creations, and we can disallow it whenever we want. In fact, when YouTube released the feature, all past videos in our channels were automatically opted in by default, without asking us. If you check your old videos, they should all be allowing, maybe with some rare exceptions. But don't worry, at the end of this video I will explain how you can change that very easily. And all the new videos you upload have allow selected by default. So if you don't want others to clip your videos, you have to change that selection to don't allow. That is what YouTube tells us about this new feature. But here is where YouTube has a great failure. A failure nobody talks about, and YouTube doesn't tell us. When we upload a new video, we fill in all the important details, and in the section Short Remixing, we will find we have Allow Video and Audio Remixing by default. If we choose Don't Allow and complete the whole uploading process till we publish and save, that is how our video settings should remain. Don't allow. However, if after publishing we go to our channel's contents and open the info tab of that video, we can verify that YouTube has ignored our decision and short remixing appears as allowed. If we change that feature to don't allow and save our selection, this time it should work. It should stay as don't allow. However, it seems nobody has noticed this is happening because nobody has complained about it. Or maybe I'm the only one being attacked by this bug. I don't know why this is happening. I only know it is happening repeatedly in several of my channels, monetized or not. I only noticed this about a month ago, and only 2 out of 18 videos uploaded since then respected my selection of don't allow. That is, it doesn't happen always. but the amount when it happens is very significant. If this is also happening to you, please leave a comment below, because I haven't heard anything about this from anybody, and YouTube support hasn't given me an answer yet. If you discover some of your videos are allowing when you originally selected don't allow, you can do the following. First, you go into YouTube Studio and then into the contents of your channel. Here you can select the videos you want to change, or you can select all. Then you select Edit, and in the drop down list you look for Shorts Remixing and select that. A little window will open where you have the options to select allow or don't allow remixing. Then you click on update videos, and in the pop-up you confirm your selection and you update the videos. And that's it. In any case, if you're also having this issue, you will have to go back and check every video you upload after publishing, because YouTube still doesn't have a solution for this problem. Well, I hope YouTube fixes this soon. Meanwhile, I'd love to hear your experience with this feature, so please leave a comment below. And if you like this video, please don't forget, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.